How to turn active off on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn active off on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn your active off on Instagram, all you have to do is open up the Instagram application here and make sure that you're signed into the account. Then make sure to tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen over here. After you do that, tap on the three lines icon located at the top right hand side and then just navigate to settings. Once you navigate to settings, you're going to be able to see this sort of interface where you simply need to go to the option called privacy, and under privacy you'll find the option known as activity status. So make sure to tap the activity status option, and as you do that, all you have to do is just turn off these toggles, both of these toggles over here, and your active status will get successfully turned off. This way you can turn active off on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.